to my channel. So today I want to kind of do a little bit of a fun video. I see many people on YouTube do a video called What's in My Bag. So I wanted to do a video called What's in My Bag, the Oral Hygiene edition, since this channel is basically about oral hygiene and dental hygiene, how to be preventative and keep your mouth healthy. I have many other things in my bag, but I do want to talk about some of the products that I carry around with me on a normal basis in my bag. Basically anything around having to do around the mouth or in the mouth, I'm going to tell you what products I carry around with me on a normal basis that have to do with those areas. So basically this right now, this is the bag that I'm carrying. This particular bag is the Never Full Louis Vuitton bag. And I actually have the corners just kind of folded in. I kind of like to wear it like this now. Usually, for the most part, it's just basically a tote. I don't know if you can see that. But I've lately, for the last couple of months, have been really liking to wear it in. It kind of makes it look like a different type of bag. So anyway, it doesn't have really many compartments or anything inside of the bag. There's this one big pocket right here. Don't know if you can see that. Right in here, there's a big pocket right there. And I keep a lot of like lip glosses and different things like that, and some of the things that I just need to quickly grab. So of course I have basically my wallet. This you know, and I have money and different things like that in here, but we're not going to talk about those type of normal things that you would have in your bag. We're going to talk about things having to do with oral hygiene. In this particular pouch, I keep a bulk of my dental items or oral hygiene items, and then I also have some in that big pouch. Since this is a tote, there's not many different areas, and these are smaller items, so of course I'm not just going to throw them at the bottom of the bag. So in this pouch, this is a Louis Vuitton pochette, and it is the Damier Beam print. See, it has red on the inside. This really isn't a review of a bag, but I wanted to show you, you know, what it's in. This is actually one of the products that I have unboxed recently, so I do have a video and I'll place the link to that below. I do have a Quip toothbrush now. I've been trying it out because I do want to do a review for you all. I've been hearing a lot about this toothbrush, and this is a nice handy toothbrush for traveling, and it's also nice to just carry around on a normal basis because I brush my teeth at lunch. I also brush my teeth on the go and different things like that, just to make sure my teeth are nice and clean and my breath is fresh. Since I have a review coming and I've already done an unboxing of this toothbrush, I won't go in depth about it, but basically this is a subscription program for toothbrushes, and it's an electric toothbrush. Well, it vibrates like this, and there's a nice little handy cap that you can put over it. So it's very nice and it's very cute. You know, it's very nice to be able to carry with you on the go and just brush your teeth, and actually have something that's more of a on the electric side versus just a manual toothbrush. So that's one of the things that I keep in my bag. The next thing is this particular item here. It is called PUR, P-U-R. And I got it from Whole Foods. This particular flavor is Polar Mint. It's aspartame free, and I know that I don't do well with aspartame. And aspartame, for those of you who don't know, is a artificial sugar. The reason I really love these mints, for one, they're vegan. The other thing is that it's 100% xylitol. So xylitol is basically a sugar that helps protect against cavities. It's actually, you know, most sugars lead to getting cavities and things like that. This is actually a sugar that they put in many toothpastes. They also put this in gums and mints and things like that, and it helps protect against cavities. So this contains xylitol, which is great. It also says no GMOs, gluten-free, like I said, vegan. It's nut and peanut free because I actually just found out that I'm allergic to nuts and things like that here recently. I enjoy it. Mints are really good, by the way. Another thing that I have, speaking of xylitol, is Spry. I'm pretty sure you've probably heard of this before. And both of these items you can get at Whole Foods. This particular flavor is natural spearmint. This gum is sugar-free. It also contains xylitol. It helps protect against cavities and things like that. And it also says dentist recommended, non-GMO, vegan, safe, gluten-free. Because sometimes you have to worry about, if you're a vegan, you have to worry about some of these things that you wouldn't even expect to be made of animal products and things like that being made of animal products. And so this assures you that it is definitely vegan safe. And the great thing about these two items is that they contain xylitol, and that is great. This is also the same type of gum, but this is in cinnamon, so I like to have different variety in my bag. In this little baggie, I have flossers that they have on the market now. Now, I don't recommend these, and I know you'll probably see in the flossing video and other videos that I don't recommend these for just on your daily oral regimen for flossing, because your back teeth are round. And this floss just basically swipes your teeth, and it doesn't get it as clean as you need it to in order to keep you away from getting gum disease and different things like that and prevent cavities. But these are really great when I'm just out on the go and I may have something stuck in my teeth from something that I ate and I have to get in there really quickly just to make sure that it's gone. It also has has floss right here. I'm sure you've seen this before. And it has a little pick here, and sometimes it just helps to be able to get in between your teeth without having to find some other type of resource. I think before I've used a piece of paper and folded up really nice and tried to get in there to get something from in between my teeth if I'm in the car having to run in somewhere. Just do what you gotta do, but it's nice to have these around. Leading from floss, this is actually regular string floss, and you can see I've used this like crazy because it doesn't even have the Glide logo on it anymore. But this is none other than my favorite floss, which is Oral-B Glide floss, as you can see here. This floss, I've talked about in other videos, absolute favorite floss of all time. It is a flat floss. It's kind of silky and a little bit thicker than other floss, but it just glides in and out of there, and it makes your teeth feel so clean, gets in there really well. So I won't go into depth about this particular floss, but know that I love it. And if you watch my essentials video, I talk a lot about this floss and why you should love it as well. The last thing in this particular pouch, Colgate Enamel Health Toothpaste. This is just like the little travel size one, but this is my favorite toothpaste. I've talked about it in my essentials video as well, but I really love this toothpaste because it polishes your teeth, and it also is for sensitive teeth, so it contains potassium nitrate, and it also just helps my teeth to feel nice and smooth. So anyway, I carry this around with me to use with my now Quip toothbrush. Before I was just carrying around a manual toothbrush, but I love this because it has a little handy case. I don't have to worry about carrying around another case or my toothbrush getting nasty. So anyway, that's all that's in this pouch. Next area is in this big part of my purse. Of course, I carry my keys. And then some of these are basically for areas around my mouth, like my lips. This particular one is Dr. Bronner's Lip Balm. It is Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Organic Lip Balm. I found this at Target about a month or two ago, and I really like it. Before I was only using just regular chapstick, but I really like this one. I think it has, let's see what the ingredients are. Avocado oil, different oils, because anyone who's familiar with Dr. Bronner's, the soap, the Castile soap, it has lots of different natural oils in it, and it helps to keep everything clean by using oils and keep everything moisturized. It has jojoba seed oil, peppermint oil. It actually has cannabis sativa hemp oil in it, and some other oils that I really can't begin to pronounce, and also beeswax and things like that. But I really like this. It feels nice and smooth on my lips, and sometimes I'll carry it around in my scrub pocket just to have something quick, but I also keep one in my purse. I really like this, so I'll be continuing to buy this one. And for any of these products that you're interested in, I will leave a link in the description box for all of these products so that you know where to find them. Next thing I have is, let's see, I have Victoria's Secret Minty Shine. This is just a glossy lip gloss. And it's clear, refreshing lip gloss. It It's just clear. It kind of adds lots of shine for you whenever you're kind of feeling like doing something a little bit more than just regular chapstick, but you want something that will shine but no color, that kind of thing. The next thing I have here is, let's see, Chestnut lip pencil from, and it's by MAC. MAC, and it's Chestnut. This particular one, I've worn it down quite a bit, but this is kind of like a brown color. I wear this under many of my lipsticks, or this, you know, this to line many of my lipsticks. It kind of gives it more of a brown chestnutty color, and I really like it. This actually, I always carry this particular one around with my MAC lipstick in shade, it's a matte lipstick in shade Velvet Teddy. So this is how I'm able to achieve a nude lipstick look. This particular one looks like this. I'm gonna wipe the top of this off because I've mixed it with other lipsticks. Sorry. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, and so whenever I mix it with this, it kind of gives it a nude color for my skin tone, and I really love these two together. So this is matte, a matte lipstick in Velvet Teddy by MAC, and then this is Chestnut lip liner by MAC as well. So those are my go-to. If I want any type of lip color on the go and I don't have anything else with me, those are the ones that I go for. Also have another chestnut pencil in here because you never can have too many. The other thing is what I mentioned before was chapstick. This is always my go-to if I just need something on my lips. I never, in case you don't notice that I can't stand to not have anything on my lips, this is chapstick and it's just in regular cherry flavor. You can get that at CVS, Walmart, anywhere. It looks like the last item in here, and maybe even the last item altogether, is this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. So this is Rihanna's line. It's called Fenty Glow. I'm not sure if she's come out with any other lip glosses in her line, but this is the one she released whenever she released her whole line of all of those foundations and things like that. I love this lip gloss. This is actually what I'm wearing now. It just gives you a natural look, and it pretty much looks good on anyone. This is also another product that I go for when I don't really want a lot of color on my lips. I just want something moisturized. As you can see, it's very moisturizing, and it gives you a bit of a glow and things like that. So I really love this, and I like the packaging as well. Very nice. Good job, Rihanna. It looks like that's basically all that I have that has to do with oral hygiene or anything around your mouth and things like that. Only other thing that I can think of is I always carry some acetaminophen or Tylenol. Just for those headaches and things like that. This goes in my mouth, so I thought I should share. So basically that wraps up this video for today. Hope you've enjoyed seeing what's in my bag. And like I said, for any of these products that you might be interested in, I'll leave a description in the box below telling you about where you can find these and some links. Today, something to smile about comes from 1 John 3:1, and it reads, "See what kind of love the Father has given to us, that we should be called children of God. And so we are. The reason why the world does not know us is that it does not know Him." Now that's something to smile about. So this wraps up this video for today. Remember to give me a thumbs up on this video if you wouldn't mind. Also, if you enjoy videos like this that have to do with oral hygiene, dental hygiene, please subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button and also hitting that bell to be notified when I upload any new videos. Also, leave me a comment down below to let me know what you carry in your bag that has to do with oral hygiene. Carry anything on a normal basis where you can brush your teeth on the go or do whatever you need to do, get that little piece of food out of your teeth or whatever you need to do. Just leave that in the comment down below. Also, leave me a comment to let me know what videos you'd like to see in the future. If there are any other trending videos that you'd like to see, let me know. I really want to know what you want to see. That wraps up this video for today. Until next time, everyone, take care and remember to let your smile shine. Bye.